time to say goodbye to Busted Classic Garage. Well, I figured it was time to move on. And let me introduce to you the new Busted Classic Garage. Look at that bad boy. All right, so here is the garage. Starting our tour is the 71 C10. We've been working on for quite some time. I haven't put too much work into it because I've been working on a farmhouse. Now, the one truck that you guys haven't seen yet is actually something that I'm gonna tease to you right now, and there's gonna be future episodes, but I've been doing some serious metal work on this thing. This thing was so completely rotted out. This thing is getting some extensive metal work done. I don't know if you guys remember from one of the videos where I pulled the cowl out of that junkyard. Well, now it's part of this truck. And some of my buddy's panels from his old firewall are now part of this truck. So this thing's being pieced together from 3 different trucks. All right, moving along. If you guys want to see any of this farmhouse, let me know in the comments. All right, so the plan for 2023, I want to give you guys at least 1 video a month. We got to get back on some kind of regular schedule. I didn't really get a chance to put this thing in for the winter time, but if you guys look here, yeah, that happened. Ran a low 12-second quarter mile in that thing at 113 miles an hour. If you guys want to check that video out, boom, I'll put it right there. Let's move on. All right, here is the 50 by 50 foot barn. Check this thing out. As you guys can see, there's a lot of work here, so bear with me, but thank you for all your guys' support because I would not be here if it wasn't for you. Super fast tour of the barn. We got 3-phase power. Most likely, I plan on putting a lift somewhere in here. There is a concrete pad, but everything else is gravel. At least the Cursemaro's inside. So I'm sure some of you noticed there's a A-body muscle car that I just walked past. This is my 1971 Monte Carlo. So let me know if you guys are interested in a little bit of side history on this car, a little bit more information, or if you want to see this thing getting built on the channel. All right, let's go outside. If you guys are wondering what to expect on this channel in 2023, check out these 2 videos I'm gonna drop right here. It'll give you a good idea of what this channel's all about. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one.